How's it going, everyone? We are finishing up our 2010 Honda Civic Hybrid. Kind of accidentally bought it off Copart. It had a little damage on this corner here from where the deer hit it on the last owner. Other than that, it's got 140,000 miles or so. It's a great running little car. I think we're going to tint the windows on it probably this week, and then probably list it for sale. If we get enough interest in it, we could do a raffle on it, but that's kind of up to all of you. So definitely getting the windows tinted. Somebody commented how much they love people with tinted windows, so we did not have to do much to the interior other than clean it. Still got cleaning to do, but as far as the accidental car that we bought, it was a pretty fun car. We're gonna send it. So comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.